The startling truth is that China's military technology has astonished the world in recent years. China is no longer just an economic power, but is rapidly emerging in the defense sector as well. In modern weaponry, radar systems, missile technology, drones, and cyber warfare, China has achieved advancements that even the United States and Russia once only dreamed of. The Chinese military possesses some of the world's most advanced hypersonic missiles, capable of striking targets many times faster than the speed of sound. This technology has the full capability to neutralize enemy defense systems. Additionally, China has bolstered its air force with state-of-the-art fighter jets like the J-20 stealth fighter, which is invisible to radar and operates at extremely high speeds. China has also remarkably strengthened its naval power. Aircraft carriers, submarines, and modern destroyers make its maritime forces prominent globally. In the space domain, China has developed satellites and anti-satellite weapons capable of crippling enemy communication systems. Cyber warfare is another major strength of China. In the digital age, this technology is highly effective for attacking enemy data, defense systems, and communication networks. China is developing projects through its scientists and engineers that will change the landscape of future wars. All of this indicates that China's military technology has become extremely important, not only for its own protection, but also for altering the global balance of power. Here's an image depicting advanced military technology. China's aim is to use technology in economic, educational, and industrial fields, alongside its defense system. China's research centers and military laboratories are working on advanced artificial intelligence, robotics, and quantum computing. These technologies are used by the military as well as civilians. For example, drone technology is not only used for border surveillance, but also in agriculture and delivery services. Similarly, China has linked its military industry with the national economy. Advanced machinery, engines, and electronic systems developed in defense projects will later be used in commercial production. This not only strengthens the military, but also benefits the general public. China's space program is also contributing to scientific research beyond military power. Satellite communication, Earth observation, and lunar research are all steps propelling China towards becoming a future superpower. Most importantly, China frames its military technology within a national security framework. It believes that true power is not just weapons, but an amalgamation of technology, science, and development. This is why China is rapidly expanding its influence on the global stage. China military technology includes aspects that are enough to shake the world. It is said that China has built thousands of kilometers of tunnels and bunkers, where modern weapons, nuclear missiles, and military forces are stored. This network is so vast that an entire city could be hidden inside it, allowing China to maintain its power even in the event of an enemy attack. Another shocking technology is China's biological and genetic research programs, which Western media claims are an attempt by China to create soldiers who are more powerful and intelligent. If this is true, a combination of humans and machines could be seen on the battlefield in the future. China has also included drone submarines in its navy that are capable of deep-sea reconnaissance and attack without any crew. These machines can remain underwater for months and strike the enemy without warning. Additionally, China has announced that it will equip its army with advanced electromagnetic railguns. These weapons fire projectiles using electricity instead of gunpowder, which travel at many times the speed and destructive power of ordinary cannons. All these shocking facts indicate that China's military technology is not limited to traditional weapons, but is developing weapons for future wars that could change the world's power balance. China has expanded its military power not only to land and sea, but also to the skies and space. Anti-satellite weapon program could prove to be the biggest shock for the world. This technology can target enemy satellites and destroy their control from Earth. The destruction of any country's satellite means its communication, GPS, and missile guidance systems become inoperable. China has also developed laser weapons, that can blind drones and satellites in the air. These weapons work silently, and the enemy doesn't even know when and how their system became inoperable. China now also has the world's largest drone and army squads. They fly in swarms and can deceive enemy radars to cause widespread destruction. These drones work autonomously and communicate with each other. Furthermore, China has started using virtual reality and artificial intelligence for military training. Soldiers face real warlike situations in a digital environment before going to the battlefield, so they can be prepared for any situation. All these pieces of evidence prove that China's military technology is not limited to making weapons, but is going to give a new direction to military strategy, which can change the world's existing military balance in the blink of an eye.